Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. In this video, we'll learn about ChatGPT errors and some quick fixes that you need to know. Well, just like any other online service, ChatGPT requires servers to operate, and it's also not a new thing for us to encounter random errors. And in this video, we have listed 3 familiar errors that we tend to encounter in ChatGPT. Number 1, ChatGPT is at capacity right now error. Now, this error has been a continuous source of annoyance for users seeking to try out OpenAI's outstanding chatbot. ChatGPT is at capacity right now error message. It implies their servers are now too busy to handle your request. And this occurs when the chatbot servers are under an unusually heavy load. And to simply avoid to encounter the situation, you could just wait until their servers are a bit free. And if you are not patient enough for this, then you could just refresh your page until the site starts working again. So keep refreshing the browser until ChatGPT starts responding to your questions. And if not, you could also use a VPN, as your current location is likely the source of problem, so you might want to move. So use your preferable VPN for it. Now, the second most encountered error is an error occurred message. And it might have been occurred either because of API rate limits or server issues. It can also be caused by insufficient data, incorrectly formatted requests, or complex requests. If the ChatGPT server is overloaded, it will cause performance issues like the inability to retrieve responses. So to fix an error occurred on ChatGPT, you can again try connecting to a VPN, or alternatively, you can try to clear your browser's cache and cookies, or the simplest way is to use a different browser. Just exit the browser you are on right now and simply open up a new browser and log into ChatGPT once again. This would definitely work for you. And similarly, one of the most encountered error is too many requests in 1 hour, try again later error. You may be experiencing this issue because you are sending numerous requests simultaneously. Alternatively, it is possible that you are sending an extremely complicated request and the AI is now having trouble processing it. So the easiest and simple way to fix this is to just wait until the server is stable again. Just wait for a while until the server is stable. Or you could try using ChatGPT in incognito mode. And also, if you're encountering this error a bit much, then you should avoid using ChatGPT during active hours. So these are some ways to fix ChatGPT errors. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.